So we're at Laguna. We're just pulling in. We got a decent little line here of people. Should be fun. Kind of bums we're not in the Z, but it just kind of, it is what it is.
Got it!
So I went out to Laguna Seca, and I originally took the WRX out there. Just had taken it out there before. It's always been pretty reliable and had a good time with it. Unfortunately, it burned out the brake pads, just kind of like it did the original time out there. Laguna's pretty dang hard on the brakes, so not terribly surprised with that one. Thankfully, I live really close, and so I was able to run home, grab the Z, and get that thing out there. It was definitely a little weird, though. I mean, trying to grip race this versus drift it, just trying to get that mindset was a little bit different. And to be honest, it was a blast. And so I just thought I'd share with you guys kind of what the day looked like and what some of my laps look like. Oh yeah, we're taping her up. Oh, looks great. Looks great, looks great. Alright, so we're going, this is the first time ever bringing the drift car on the track. Should be fun. This thing's set up not bad. So I will mention we're in group 3, which means open passing on the straightaways and point by on the corners. I'll probably be pointing a lot of people by. For having a welded diff, she did pretty damn good.
He turned me onto the car back in 07.
I figured I'd show you guys some of the cool cars that are also here. I got a pit next to this super sick NSX.
sound good. Alright, well, I don't know if you can hear it, but we're on the way back to the pits. I think one of the axles, O'Reilly's axles, of course, snapped. But thankfully, you know, I got that welded diff. And because of that welded diff, I think we'll be able to make it home. But oof, definitely does not sound too good, does it now? Oh well. What can we do, right? Alright, so once again, PSA, don't use your O'Reilly's axles unless you want it to turn out. You can see it like that. Whoops. Whoops. Well, we're leaving. We're gonna wrap the roof headliner black with diamonds on it, so it'll be icy. No?